The year is 490 BC. Imagine a world on the brink. Two powerful forces are about to collide. In the east, the mighty Persian Empire, a vast, sprawling empire hungry for conquest. Their armies are legendary. They have never tasted defeat. In the west, the scattered city-states of Greece, fiercely independent yet fractured and vulnerable. Their way of life hangs in the balance. This is the story of the Battle of Marathon, a clash of civilizations, a desperate struggle for freedom, a battle that would shape the course of Western civilization. The stage is set for one of the most pivotal battles in human history. The fate of democracy itself hangs in the balance. Will the Persian Empire add Greece to its vast domain? Or will the Athenian ideals of freedom and self-governance prevail against all odds? Ancient Greece, a land of rugged mountains and sparkling seas, this is the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and Western culture. But this world is about to be consumed by the fires of war. The Persian Empire, under the rule of King Darius I, has its eyes set on Greece. The Persians are a formidable force. Their empire stretches from the Indus River to the Aegean Sea. They are masters of conquest. Darius sends an envoy to Athens. His message is clear: submit to Persian rule or face annihilation. The Athenians refuse, they choose defiance, they choose freedom, they choose war. The Persian army is a sight to behold. A vast, multi-ethnic force drawn from every corner of the empire. Tens of thousands of soldiers strong. Their ranks include immortals, an elite fighting force known for their unwavering discipline and skill in battle. They are equipped with the finest weapons of the age. Bows that can fire arrows over incredible distances. Spears that can skewer a man with ease. Their reputation precedes them. They are the undisputed masters of the battlefield. The Athenians face a stark choice: surrender or fight. They choose to fight, knowing full well the odds are stacked against them. They send a message to Sparta, the strongest military power in Greece, pleading for aid. But Sparta is slow to respond, bound by religious festivals and wary of the Persian threat. Athens stands alone. The Athenians prepare for the inevitable invasion. They muster every available man. Farmers, artisans, even the old and young take up arms to defend their city. Section 5. The Plains of Marathon, where legends are forged. The Persian fleet, a massive armada of ships, descends upon the coast of Attica. They land at Marathon, a plain about 26 miles from Athens. The location is strategically chosen. Marathon provides the perfect terrain for the Persian cavalry and chariots to maneuver. The Athenians, outnumbered but not outmatched in courage, march to confront the invaders. They arrive at the edge of the plains of Marathon, a place that will forever be etched in the annals of history. Section 6. The Phalanx versus the Horde. A clash of titans. The two armies face each other across the dusty plains. The Persian army, a vast sea of soldiers, confidently expects an easy victory. They underestimate the Athenians. The Athenians have a secret weapon, the Phalanx. This tightly packed formation of heavily armed hoplite warriors protected by shields and armed with long spears will prove to be a formidable force on the battlefield. The battle begins. The Athenians charge. The clash is earth-shattering. The Persians, expecting a quick victory, are stunned by the ferocity of the Athenian assault. Section 7. Victory and its price. A new dawn for Athens? The battle rages for hours. The fate of Greece hangs in the balance. The Athenians fight with unmatched courage and discipline. Their phalanx holds firm against wave after wave of Persian attacks. Finally, the Athenian lines break through the Persian center. Panic spreads through the Persian ranks. They flee in terror toward their ships. The Athenians are victorious. Against all odds, they have defeated the seemingly invincible Persian army. The victory comes at a price. Many Athenian heroes lie dead on the battlefield, but their sacrifice will not be in vain. Their victory at Marathon will resonate throughout history. Section 8. Echoes of Marathon, the battle that shaped the world. The Battle of Marathon is a turning point in Western history. The victory emboldens the Greek city-states. It shows that the Persian Empire is not invincible. It lays the foundation for the eventual Greek victory in the Persian Wars. More importantly, Marathon secures the survival of Athenian democracy. It allows the ideals of freedom, self-governance, and individual liberty to flourish. The legacy of Marathon extends far beyond the shores of Greece. It serves as a timeless reminder that even the smallest of nations can defeat a mighty empire with courage, determination, and a belief in their cause. Section 9. What if? The enduring legacy of Marathon, the Battle of Marathon, a pivotal moment in history. But what if the outcome had been different? What if the Persians had been victorious? Would democracy have survived? Would Western civilization as we know it exist today? The questions are as relevant today as they were 2,500 years ago. The story of Marathon is a timeless reminder of the fragility of freedom. It is a testament to the courage of those who are willing to fight and die for their beliefs. It is a story that continues to inspire us today, reminding us that even the greatest of challenges can be overcome with determination and a refusal to surrender. What will your marathon be?